Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the video aspect ratio in Capcut PC. So this is super simple. If you want to change video resolution in Capcut PC, you are just going to click on the ratio in bottom from the preview panel. Click. So you can change and choose this aspect ratio available here. For example, I'm going to select the 16:9 and merge it. Yeah, I think this is for YouTube content, and another example 1:1, and I think this for um, Instagram feed. For TikTok content, select the 5.8 inch, can merge it. Yes, I hope this information was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please type in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.